In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade ClickUp plan. We'll walk through exactly where the downgrade option lives inside ClickUp, how to reach it quickly, and what to review before you confirm any changes, so you can move to a lower plan with confidence. First, sign in at clickup.com. Once you're in, make sure you're working in the right workspace. If you belong to more than one, check the workspace name or avatar in the sidebar and switch if needed so you don't change the wrong account. From there, head to the Overview area of your team space. This is the top level where workspace-wide options are easy to find. Next, open your workspace menu by clicking the workspace name or avatar. In that menu or the header, you'll see an Upgrade button. Click Upgrade. Even though it says Upgrade, this is the path to the billing page, and that's where all subscription changes happen, including downgrades. On the billing page, look at your current plan. If there isn't an active paid subscription on this workspace, the downgrade option won't appear. There's nothing to downgrade from, and that's expected. If you do have a paid plan, you'll see controls to manage your subscription. In that same area, ClickUp provides the option to move to a lower tier or to the free plan. Select the lower plan you want, review the summary of changes, and confirm when you're ready. Before you finalize, keep a few practical checks in mind. Downgrading can remove access to premium features such as advanced automations, granular permissions, or certain reporting and integrations. Your data typically remains in place, but items tied to higher-tier features may become read-only or hidden until you upgrade again. If you rely on those capabilities, consider exporting key reports or documenting critical settings first. Also review your billing cycle. Plan changes may prorate from the date you confirm, and annual subscriptions can follow different refund or credit rules than monthly subscriptions, so it's wise to time the change near a renewal if that matters to you. If you don't see the downgrade option and you're sure the workspace is on a paid plan, double-check your role. Only workspace owners or admins can change plans. If you're on the correct workspace with the right permissions, use the billing page to complete the downgrade, and you're all set. That's the full path. Sign in, go to your workspace overview, open the workspace menu, click Upgrade to reach billing, and use the downgrade option shown there.